So let's say, for example, I as a banker, I don't want to spend. I've already marked a particular loan account as write-off, provisioned it from my profit.
Correct.
But I don't want to invest further in terms of everything is a cost, right? So if I have to collect the money, I have to invest on that, on the resource
Invest
and
onto the collection team.
Yes, and if I'm not willing to invest anymore, I think that I'm not going to recover any money out of this. So what they do is they also sell all these loans. So normally all these big banks do that. They sell it to companies which are called ARCs, which buy all these bad loans.
What is an ARC?
ARC is called Asset Reconstruction Company.
Understood. Asset Reconstruction Company.
Yeah, so they normally buy all these bad loans from other banks, and they continue following up, maintaining that loan book and everything. So literally it's like they are the owner of that loan account.
Because they have purchased it from the bank.
Exactly. So you would be able to clearly also identify on your CIBIL report itself. So one bank would have actually marked the bank which has sold the loan account. It would be marked as account sold.
Do we see?
Yes,
we see that in this report?
we see this on this report, where if you go further down, this card is from State Bank of India, SBI cards. So SBI cards has sold this particular loan account to EARC.
Understood.
So EARC is Encore ARC who have purchased this loan account from State Bank of India.
Got it. Let's
so you would find further down, you'll find it would be
SBI
cards, correct. So this is the account. If you see further down, it would be mentioned as account sold. Yes, you could see the credit facility status.
Account sold. Yeah.
Yes, so it's mentioned as account sold. Basically, it means that SBI cards has sold this particular loan account to EARC. So now SBI is no more the owner of this loan account. EARC is the owner of this loan account, and they will do all the follow-up that is required. And even if, as a borrower, if I want to close this particular loan account, I have to contact EARC, not SBI. SBI would not be able to help me out. Got it. So they've already sold, and they've recovered some kind of money out of this loan account.
If I do not understand this thing, then I'll keep reaching out to SBI.
And what people also get confused is suddenly seeing a particular bank in the report, which they have no clue. They think that it's some incorrect reporting, which is not the case. This is not incorrect reporting. This is correct reporting. It's just that we need to understand that this particular loan account has been sold from one bank to the other.
But nobody has a clue, no, that the banks can sell the loan accounts to some other company.
Yes.
So some other company can also report it to CIBIL.
Exactly. So this happens. This does happen. So bank, because at the end of the day, for any write-off account, the bank have to do the provisioning from their profit.
Correct.
So and they don't want to keep provisioning their profits for the collection efforts and keep going on increasing that loan size.
They don't want to basically further invest onto that particular loan account.
So at some point of time, they decide, they bundle all these bad loans and they sell it to other companies, which can, again, they buy it at a low cost. They buy all this entire loan size, like a 100 crore loan book. They would probably buy it at 60 crore or 50 crore. So you have a lot of companies like EARC.
Maybe less than that.
Yeah. So you have a lot of companies like this. You have Phoenix ARC, which is a part of Kotak Group. You have Reliance ARC, who also buy bad loans from other banks. So you have a lot of these ARCs which actually buy all these bad loans. So next time when you see any of these name reflecting on your report, it does not mean that you've taken a loan from them. It actually means that some other banker has sold their loan book to these ARCs. And you need to still work with these ARCs and get them closed. Exactly.
Got it. Audience. So SBI has sold the account to EARC. EARC is basically Encore Asset Reconstruction Company. So please make a note that banks can also sell their portfolios to an external agency, and they will in turn, put an effort to collect this money.
Correct.
And for that sake, they'll report it to CIBIL.
Correct.
Right, no?
Exactly.
Super. So in this case, what has happened? It has gone into write-off.
Exactly.
Because it has not been paid for a long time.
Yes. So in this scenario, what we actually did is we reached out to EARC and we got the details on what the amount that had to be repaid.
Understood.
And because it's an ARC, also there is a scope of negotiation at some stage. So we were able to negotiate on customer's behalf, get a good deal for him. And once the lender and borrower agreed on an amount that they are willing to pay and close, the EARC shared us the details on how we can make this payment. And once the borrower made that payment, they helped us with the NOC. And we use that NOC document, that is the no objection certificate, which clearly mentions the account is closed and there is no more amount that is due. We use that document and we reached out to CIBIL in getting it updated.